Hello again, everyone. I know it's been a while since I've done a video on the 1984 Dodge Falcon camper van. The story behind it is I haven't been able to get it started or running for about a little over a year now, and I have never drove it besides the time when I brought it, once I bought it and brought it home. So I actually got it running, and I've drove it around in the driveway, and everything seems like it's working just like it did when I bought it. So I don't think I've done a video of it with it running, so I thought I would do this little video and show how it sounds. There it is, running. Sounds great. All I really had to do was put some fuel in the carburetor, and after a few tries of doing that, it fired right up. So, real pleased with that. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. As you can see, I've moved it. It was sitting over there, but the brakes work great. Steering's fine. Not too bad for sitting for 2 years. There it is. I've actually got it listed on Craigslist right now for sale, since I've got the other van and the motorhome, so hopefully I can get rid of this pretty soon, because I've got something I'm planning that I will mention in another video a little later. Something about traveling, so stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.